Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Signal application. Now, to log into the Signal application, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and that you have the Signal Messenger application installed into your device. After you've made sure of those things, simply open up the Signal application on your phone. Now, after you open up your Signal application, if you want to transfer or restore your past account, simply click on the transfer or restored account option on the bottom of your screen like this. After you do that, now you'll have to allow some permissions by clicking on the options on your screen and clicking next, or simply clicking on not now. After you do that, you will be able to restore local backup or transfer from Android device. So click on one of those things and then click on next again. Now after you do that, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on continue. After you click on continue, a pop-up will appear on the screen. Now on that pop-up, click on continue again and click on allow. And as you can see, if you want to transfer details or chats from your old Android device or from any other device, this is the way. Now to log in as a fresh account, simply go ahead and click open up the Signal account again, and then on this page click on continue. After you click on continue, you will have to allow permissions right now, or you can do it later, so simply click on not now. And after that, firstly choose the country code that you have and then fill in your phone number here, and then click on continue on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now if you click on continue and if your credentials are correct, a one-time password will be sent to your phone number as a text message, and if you fill in that information, you will be logged in to your Signal account. I hope this video helped you to log into your Signal account. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.